We are still waiting at Burbank. It's 12 o'clock. But look, Comfort, my turn's coming up. UberX, my turn's coming up. UberXL, my turn's coming up because a couple of flights landed. So it wasn't 11. These flights came a little bit late. I understand that, right? 11 sometimes could mean 12. This is why it's always important to come to the airport and stay a little bit after. Now, here's the thing. My last video that I paused and I walked around, you guys got to check it out. In my last video, I showed that Uber took me off the queue, and sometimes I used to panic, but not anymore. I got out of my car, I started walking around, and when I started moving, the algorithm put me back in the queue. But when the first time that happened to me, it freaked me out. Definitely check out the last video in the playlist, guys. Okay, that's the first one that popped up. That's gonna take 20 minutes and probably another 15 to come back. That's half an hour's worth of work. It's offering $9. Now I'm cool. Okay, here's the second one that popped up. $16 is a little bit more. To go where? 26 minutes. That means it's gonna take 46 minutes for $16. That's bad. So basically 45 minutes, new customer with a 5.0, and Kohanga and Yucca Street, Los Angeles, probably North Hollywood. Or yeah, it's 8 miles. Probably, yeah. We can do something better. Okay, look at this. This is the third one that popped up. This is 18 minutes. That's not bad. So I can get back to the airport queue. But no, we're gonna remember the trick. You have to say no to all of this little stuff, because for me, you have to understand, I have Excel, right? I can wait for an Excel ride to make the same amount of money. So I'm not gonna risk it. And I'll fall at the end of Comfort. I'll fall at the end of UberX because I'm still working in the background. Literally in the background, I am uploading a video for you guys right now, part 5 of the container series. And this is how we do it, my friends. Okay, another shitty ride. We're not gonna do it. I'm not even gonna look at it. It's not even worth it. And they'll threaten to put me at the end of the container or at the end of the queue. That's fine. We'll wait for the second wave of flights. Now, this is what I mean. I'll turn my face on for this. Let all the other drivers take these crappy $7 rides, $8 rides, $12 rides. That's fine. We're gonna sit here and either land in UberXL. If not, then we're gonna get put at the end of Comfort, at the end of UberX, and we'll come back. And Uber Comfort is people that have money. And if you notice earlier, there was more people taking Uber Comfort out here than UberX. And I'm very patient. Now I uploaded one more long video. I'm gonna go upload another long video in the background. Check it out. This video is being uploaded right now that I just finished, talking about how to deal with the Burbank airport queue is full. And at the end, you'll see what happens, because this is an issue people are gonna run into. And the same video right now is gonna get uploaded on my other account. I'm not wasting any time. Okay, it's popped up with another one. $16, West Hollywood. I'm thinking, no, it's all streets. It's all streets. Yucca. See, earlier I saw that street, Yucca. I remember that. And that's okay. Let's see how far it pushed us back. Remember, guys, be patient. Don't be threatened by all these stupid games that they play with you. Look at how much it pushed you back. 36 out of 40, no problem. By the time my UberX goes out and UberXL goes out, if I don't get the ride that I want, I'll be back in line for Uber Comfort. And this is my style of driving, cherry picking. Yes, I've been here 45 minutes, but I have a backup plan, right? And my backup plan is this. In the background, keep uploading videos, right? I'm literally in the process of uploading a new video, and I'm changing the titles on it. And this is why Uber can't get me anymore. Okay? Because I have a backup plan, because I'm doing something else in the background, I'm not in a rush. Look, the guy next to me took that $18 ride. And that's okay. We're gonna sit here, we're gonna wait for UberXL and get paid what we're worth. All right, I'm gonna pause this and let you know if another one pops up. Okay, by the way, this is the playlist you want to focus on. It's gotten about 88 videos in the last 3 months. I have two channels, so I'll show you both the playlists because we're still waiting. I moved my car around, it was too hot over there, so I turned it around, I went back. Now I can see the Burbank airport, and the people that were next to me are gone. The people next to me here is gone. There's a new guy that parked where I'm at. There's places to park, which means there's less people here. So all those rides that were popping up that I passed on, everybody took those $7, $10, $7. That's fine. I'm hoping when the next wave comes from Uber, I'll get something better. If not, I just got another hour to spend on my YouTube channel. There's one more thing I want to do right now is, yeah, let me show you the other channel. So this is one playlist right here that I want you to follow. Daily Uber updates, or type in pound maximizing Uber earnings. It's got 88 videos on it. And on my other channel, it's called a little bit something different. So let me show you what it's called on the other channel. On my second YouTube channel, this is going to be my main channel for just Uber stuff, right? Over here, the same playlist is called what? There you go. So over here, this playlist is called Pound Rideshare Podcast. I'm going to turn it into a podcast pretty soon. And maximizing Uber earnings, it shows up but without the hashtag. And that's just two different ways of me pushing the same content. It's literally the same content. I just decided, like if you notice over here, there's 46, 47 videos, meaning there's less videos on this channel because about 2 months ago I started pushing this. Before that, I was putting everything on the other channel, and I don't know, I just want one channel to be all Uber stuff. Okay, let's see what happens on the queue. I'll keep you posted. All right, comfort is gone down a little bit. UberX and UberXL hasn't been pushed much, but that means a flight came, everybody went. It's like a wave, right? Now we're gonna wait another 5-10 minutes for more flights to come in. And I also think there's a delay. I personally think because Burbank Airport only has one way to go in, right? So what Uber does is it allows a wave of cars to go, and then after 5-10 minutes a wave of cars has gone, then it releases it to more people. Because I've seen literally in I don't know, people are looking inside my car, they're watching me talk to myself, they probably think I'm crazy. And I've literally seen this morning at LAX, there was 200 people waiting, but there was only 10 cars there. That doesn't make any sense, but it makes sense for the Uber algorithm. The algorithm wants what? Supply and demand, and push the surge so it can make more money. Over here, it's probably doing the same thing, but it's not a surge. I think, oh, there you go, UberX, my turn's coming up. I think over here, it's more of an issue of traffic because there's too many people dropping off. There's one lane to go in to pick up people at Burbank. And when the drivers are there picking up the passengers, those 10 or 15 or 20, whatever it released, have to clear in order for the next wave to come through. So now you can see my turn's coming up on UberX. Comfort is going down. UberXL has been the same. That means because my acceptance rate is low, maybe it's like just not allowing me to get it, or people aren't really ordering UberXL, and it's all good. I'll keep you posted. I think next is going to be probably me taking a ride because I've already spent about an hour here. I've worked on my channel. I've gone to the bathroom, and now I'm going to pray and meditate a little bit and get ready for the next passenger. Meaning I've gotten my break and I've worked on my main business, which is YouTube and podcasting, and now I'm ready for a passenger. I ended up going in the back of UberXQ because I missed a couple because my sound wasn't on, so I couldn't hear it. Now that I know it's full and I've gone back on Comfort, I've gone back on UberXL. I haven't gone on UberXL. Now when the next Comfort ride comes, I'll probably take it. And you can see over here, I'm still working on my the 5 videos that I uploaded today. And I'm fixing it up, fixing up the titles, so I'm not worried. And I'm taking a break. Are you stopped? Your rider may cancel this trip if you don't. What? I never took anybody. That doesn't make any sense. I'm not even in the ride. I'm just working. Look at that. Look at that bullshit. What was that? Are you stopped? That doesn't make any sense. I've never seen that. The algorithm doesn't even want me to work in the background. This is weird. Look, I'm literally sitting here working on this, working on my description, and it gave me this stupid error like, are you stopped? Which makes no sense. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna, oh my god. Woo, it's getting worse. No, we're not gonna take that. Okay, check it out. On my main channel, it's gonna say understanding the Uber algorithm, container part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this video will be part 6. And then on my backup channel, or my second channel, let's go to it real fast. The naming is slightly different. If you go over here and we look, I just left it loose. I haven't updated this one, so when I get a chance, I'll update these, because right here, the last videos are just completely different. I'm just trying to see which videos are doing good, which videos are not. But if you look right here, this one's already gotten about 119 views, right? So that, what is a container, how does it work with Uber, might be the new way of me doing it on this channel, because each video and on each YouTube channel, I'll do it slightly different. Okay, so let me go over here and copy this into memory and show you exactly what I'm doing, because we're still waiting for Uber in the background. I'm gonna copy this because the way this is written is looking good. Okay, and then we're gonna go and check Uber real fast. Nothing's moved. Okay, we're gonna go over here, and that's what I ended up using on my other channel as a title and a thing for the series. So in this one, it'll be what is a container and how does it work with Uber driving, right? Question mark. And then it can do something like, let's go over here. There you go. And it'll be slightly different. So on this one, it's gonna be like this. Container part 1. Boom. What is a container and how does it work with Uber driving? So I'll make this bigger. Okay, that's it. So this is basically the new. Now I'll go update it until our turn comes in Uber. Perfecto. Now this one is updated also. Look, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. The only thing that's left is over here, the thumbnails, and that's basically what I'm going to work on next. And let's see what's going on. Okay, nothing much is going on. All right, I got to stop working. I got to take a passenger now. We got to make some money. So, and the airport is filling up again. But, you know, last hour and a half, I've just worked on my YouTube channel. This is the 6th video. I'm going to go ahead and upload this. And, I guess what you're going to learn in this is sometimes saying no too many times is not a good idea. Okay, so in this situation, I think I've been put at the back of Uber Comfort once, back of Uber X once. XL hasn't changed. It's still 6 out of 10, which means the whole hour and a half I've been waiting here, I'm still on top of Uber XL. So when the next wave of flights comes in, I might be okay. But most likely, because I've worked, I've spent an hour and a half, the airport is starting to clog up again. I'll probably take a $15, $20 ride and get out and then start doing something else, right? And I've done enough work for today. Other than the thumbnails, my main thing, which is YouTube channel, it's doing good, right? So I guess that's the lesson from here is not all the time you can get lucky. Like sometimes when I noticed it was showing 11 o'clock, all these flights are coming and I got here. I got here by 11:15. Now I've been here 2 hours, 15 minutes spent driving here. I would say hour and a half sitting here and working. It's a hit or a miss. But if you look at my numbers, 9 out of 10 times I'm able to make at least $200. Like, let me show you. Then we'll end the video right here. Actually, that's the next video. I'm gonna post this as a container video. So look, yesterday I had no problem driving this way and making $300. Granted, it was New Year's, it was busy. Today should have been busy too, but maybe I made a bad guess. It's okay. It is what it is. Let me go ahead and upload this video as a 5th video or 6th video in the container series. And I guess by the end of this video, you'll know, like, hey, sometimes if you say no to too many rides, it's not good and it puts you in prison. That's a lesson here. But please like, comment, and subscribe, because I make mistakes and I even tell you the mistakes that I make, because we can learn in every situation. Now I'll start another video because this one's been 15 minutes long.